Now one of the very important chapter, exponent and power, lesson number 4. Last year there are some phenomena of the exponent. Now in this class there is a some functioning of the exponent. See this is a 2, here is 3. This is a base. This is the power or exponent. We have written, it means 2 into 2 into 2. Right? Multiply 2 in 3 times. 2 and another word 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the another way 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power of or 2q or 2q. We have this it means 2 to the power of 3. This is a base, 2 is the base, 3 is the power. So 2 into 2 into 2, the value is 8 is the value. This is this criteria I have done in the class 6th. Now today there is another way is the x. This is the x to the power of 1 upon 2. Cube root x, x to the power of 1 upon 3. 5 root x, x to the power of 1 upon 5. These all are the radical form and this is the power form. Now, another way of exponent, there are the some rule of the exponent. Listen carefully. Some important rules of exponent. Rule number 1. Rule number 1. Suppose A is a base, M is a power. Another number A is the base, N is the power. If base is same, power is different or same in the form of multiply. In the form of power will be add. Power will be add. M plus N. A is the base, power is the N. A is the base, power is the N. Base is same. First power is the M, another power is the N. In the form of a multiply, the power will be add a ki power m plus n. There is some example. 2 ki power 3 into 2 ki power 2. Here is base 2 is the base. So 2 ki power 3 plus 2, 2 ki power 5. Similarly, 2 ki power minus 3 into 2 ki power 2. We have written 2 ki power minus 3 plus 2. The 2 ki power minus 1. But in the exponent, the basic rule is never write in the form of a negative power. So this is a reciprocal of 2, 1 upon 2 the power of 1. Similarly, rule number 2. Rule number 2. A number is base is same, but power is same or different in the form of divide or a ki power m upon a ki power n. The power is a m minus n. For example, 2 ki power 3 divided by 2 ki power 2. 2 ki power 3 minus 2. 2 ki power 1. This is a 2. One another example, 2 ki power minus 3 divided by 2 ki power minus 2. 2 ki power minus 3 upon 2 ki power minus 2. 2 ki power minus 3, negative power, convert difference minus 2. The 2 ki power minus 3 plus 2, this is the 2 ki power 5. Now, rule number 1, if the base is same, if the base is same, if the base and power is different, so in the form multiply, power will be add. If the base is same, power is different or same, in the form of divide, the power will be having a power with difference, उनको माइनस कर लेंगे. For example, 2 की पावर 3 divided 2 की पावर 2, 2 की पावर 3 minus 2, 2 की पावर 1. Similarly, 2 की पावर minus 3 divided by 2 की पावर minus 2, तो 2 की पावर minus 3 upon 2 की पावर minus 2, it becomes 2 की पावर minus 2 converted it minus 2, subtract them, plus 2, 2 की पावर 5. Wrong. This is a 2 की पावर minus 1 or 1 upon. See, another rule number 3. Rule number 3. This is a की power m whole m. Also the multiply the power a की power m into n. There is the example 2 की power 3 into 2. This is a 2 की power 6. 2 की power 3 minus 1 upon 3. So 2 की power 3 into minus 1 upon 3 will get 2 की power minus 1. Reciprocal them 1 upon 2. This is the rule number 3. And then similarly rule number 4. Basic rule of how to evaluate the exponent question, find and compute the exponent question, how to convert exponent convert into a rational number. So this is the basic rule of the exponent. Rule number 4. A की power m into b की power n. In this time, a and b are not same, and base is not same. But power is same. So this is a into b की power n. If base is not same but power is same in the form multiply, so common number a into b the power. For example, 2 की power 4 into 3 की power 4. It means 2 into 3 की power 4. Or 6 to the power of 4. One more example, 2 की power minus 1 upon 2 or 3 की power minus 1 upon 2. So this is a 2 into 3 की power minus 1 upon 2 or 6 to the power of minus 1 upon 2. This is a 1 upon 6 to the power of 1 upon 2, or we have written root 6. Rule number 5. Rule number 5, this is a की power m divided by b की power m or am upon bm. In this time, also a or b are not the same as the power is same. We have written a divided by b the power m or a upon b the power of m. Example, 7 की power 3 divided by 2 की power 3. It means 7 upon 2 the power of 3. One more example, 2 की power minus 4 divided by 3 की power minus 4. So 2 divided by 3 the power of minus 4, or 2 upon 3 the power of minus 4. It means 3 by 2 the power of 4. So there is a rule number 6. Rule number 5 and rule number 6. Rule number 6. A to the power of 0 is always 1. Example, 10 की power 0, 1. 9 की power 0, also 1. So there is some rule how to convert p upon q, rational number, of the exponent power. Now we have discussed the sum question of your textbook worksheet 1. In the next class, wish you best of luck.